All right, so today we have that I jogged 2 1/4 mile one day, 3 1/3 mile another day, and then 2 2/3 mile on a third day. And I wanted to know how much that was all together. Now, in the video, I said to pay attention because you might not have to do as much work as possible, as necessary as the other ones. So if you look at 3 1/3 and 2 2/3 have the same denominators. So you actually could just start there and add those first. Okay? So we have 1/3 plus 2/3. It's 1 whole. And then 3 plus 2, and that's 5. Okay. Next, I can bring down this 2 1/4. Okay. So I could do 2 1/4 plus 5. So that's 7 1/4. Plus 1 more is 8 1/4 miles total. Okay. So that's one possible way. If you didn't see that connection and you ended up doing 2 1/4 plus 3 1/3 plus 2 2/3, and you found common denominators for them, you would have changed them to 12ths. So 1/4 becomes 3/12. 1/3 becomes 4/12, and 2/3 becomes 8/12. All right, so here I go. We have 2 plus 3 plus 2, which is 7. And then we have these fractions, and we're just going to add their numerators. So we have 3 plus 4 plus 8, which is 15/12, which I can't leave. That's an improper fraction. So that actually is 1 whole and 3/12. So I'm going to bring the wholes and this mixed number together. So it would be 7 plus 1 3/12, which is 8 3/12, which is the same as my first answer of 8 1/4 miles. 3/12 would simplify or be reduced to 8 1/4 miles. Okay. So please make sure you're looking to see if there's another way to add the fractions before finding a common denominator. You might save yourself some work.